What's up everybody? In this video, I'll show you how to change the internal battery in an Acura Integra key fob. If yours looks a little bit different than this one, maybe it looks like one of the key fobs in the YouTube thumbnail, it's no problem. There's an older version of this, there's a black version, but it's just this pill-shaped one that you see here. Just follow along, it's the same exact process. So all you'll need is a flathead screwdriver and one of these CR2025 batteries. I've left a link in the description so you can get one on Amazon. It's really cheap, and then you can just follow along. First step, locate the groove on the bottom of the key fob here where the key ring is. Take a flathead screwdriver, insert it in, and twist. Just twist until the two halves kind of pop apart. You can see there's some opening there now, and I'm just going to go down the side, twisting. Yeah, and you'll feel the two halves click apart. And now you can just come under the battery and pop it up very gently. Insert it under, and it'll come out very easily. Take a, let me show you that again in case that was off camera. Just coming under here. And a little pressure and it'll come popping out. Take a new CR2025 battery and make sure this positive side with the battery info goes face down. And it's very easy to return it to place. You just put a little pressure and it will click in. Now you can click these two back together and you can see the light comes on. We're all done. Super easy. If this video helped you out, feel free to like it or leave a comment. And for a full guide on this key fob or any other Acura Integra key fob, click the link down in the description to go to fobbattery.com. Thanks for watching.